Welcome to the Magnetz2 assembly demonstration video. Begin by cutting screen bar to desired length. Drill a 6 mm hole at desired location using guide. Insert magnet into corner and insert corner into screen bar. Continue to insert magnets into corners and insert remaining corners into screen bar. Repeat on opposite corner. Continue with final assembly by inserting sides with top and bottom screen bar. Be careful to press all corners firmly into screen bar for a tight fit. Begin next step by installing desired mesh into the screen frame. Spray a water-based solution over mesh for easier handling if desired. Insert spline into groove and use spline wheel to press spline into groove. Continue on all four sides. Trim excess spline and firmly press spline into all four corners. Remove excess mesh using utility knife. Place guide firmly on frame and drill a 6.4 mm hole at desired location. Align the angle of the grommet to the angle of the frame until perpendicular. Carefully tap grommet until flush with frame using a soft hammer. Leave magnets exposed until final installation of screen. The final step is to install the screen onto the frame. Screen may be removed from outside or inside in seconds. For other demonstrations, please contact us.